An open source AI just dropped that beats Claude Opus 4.7 on coding benchmarks. It's not from Google, not from Meta, not from Mistral. It's from a lab called DeepReinforce, and the model is called Ornith 1.0. And here's the wild part. This thing doesn't just write code. It writes its own brain for solving code. I'm going to break this down in 2 minutes, because if you build AI agents, this changes everything. So, Ornith 1.0 dropped literally today, June 25th, 2026. MIT licensed. No region locks. Weights are free on Hugging Face right now. It comes in 4 sizes, 9B, 31B, 35B MoE, and a 397B MoE flagship. Built on top of Gemma 4 and Qwen 3.5 as base models, then heavily post-trained using reinforcement learning. But the training method? That's where it gets insane. Every coding agent you've ever used, Claude Code, Cursor, OpenHands, they all rely on human-designed scaffolds. A scaffold is basically the agent's game plan, how it breaks down a task, calls, tools, retrieves when it fails, handles errors. Developers spend months hand-engineering these pipelines, Ornith said. Forget that. During reinforcement learning, Ornith doesn't just learn to write better code, it learns to write better scaffolds, and then uses those scaffolds to write even better code. It's a 2-stage loop. Refine the plan, then execute the plan, and both get rewarded. So the model is literally getting smarter at the meta level, not just the task level. They call this self-scaffolding, and no open source model has done this before, and the benchmarks back it up. The 397B model hits 82.4 on SWE-Bench Verified. That's the hardest real-world coding eval. The only model above it? Claude Opus 4.8 at 87.6. It beats MiniMax M3, DeepSeek V4 Pro, all the other big open source players. Now here's the part for developers on a budget. The 9B model hits 69.4 on SWE-Bench, on a single 80 GB GPU. That's wild efficiency. You can run it with vLLM right now. It's fully OpenAI compatible. Point any AI coding CLI. OpenCode, OpenHands, whatever you're using, at your local Ornith endpoint. GGUF builds are also available, so LM Studio and Ollama users are covered too. Context window is 262K tokens, so it can handle massive code bases. Open source coding agents just leveled up hard. Drop a comment. Are you running this locally or in the cloud? Like, subscribe. I'm covering every major AI drop as it happens. See you in the next one.